Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you got a chance to check out some of the videos that I've been posting. So far to date, all of the videos that I have been posting and putting on YouTube, I've been filming them with my DJI Osmo Action cameras. Two of them to be exact. They are the original version 1 DJI Osmo Action cameras. So I thought it was time to upgrade. I do have two professional cameras because on the side I'm a wedding photographer and videographer. I have two Canon R6 Mark II cameras and a fairly decent sized collection of lenses that I use for those two cameras. However, I wanted a setup that was light, easy to use, something I could literally just turn on and start making videos. I'm very accustomed to the DJI cameras. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera that I'm going to be using for vlogging and things like that. And so far my experience with it has been really good. I really like this camera. It checks all the boxes for what I would want it to do. It's a fantastic little portable camera. And that's one thing that I like about these action cameras, is that they're lightweight, they're portable, they're connected to my desk very easily, and I get pretty good quality out of them. I mean, I really can't complain. But I figured it was time for an upgrade to the Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. So it's got a lot of really good features that I want to have in an action camera, because there might be times where maybe I want to take one of these cameras with me, or, you know, take my pocket camera with me. But regardless, I figured it was time to upgrade, so we are going to unbox them. I have two of them because I use two cameras for this. So let's check them out and open them up. I'm really looking forward to getting these all set up and using them and putting some more videos out there. So hopefully you guys like this quick video. Please like, subscribe, smash that bell for notifications so you know when we put out new videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.